Imagine driving an electric vehicle under the hot sun. You turn on the air conditioning and suddenly, your battery drains faster than expected. What if we could solve this problem using the same sunlight causing the heat? Good day! We are presenting our research titled Design and Simulation of a Solar-Assisted HVAC System to Reduce Battery Drain in Electric Vehicles. As electric vehicles continue to grow in popularity, one major challenge remains: energy efficiency, especially in hot climates like the Philippines. One of the largest energy consumers in electric vehicles is the HVAC system. Studies show that air conditioning alone can consume between 1.5 to 3.5 kilowatts, reducing the vehicle's range by up to 40%. This problem becomes even more critical in tropical environments, where cooling demand is constant. As a result, drivers experience reduced driving range and increased energy consumption. To address this issue, our study proposes a solar-assisted HVAC system. This system integrates photovoltaic panels installed on the vehicle surface to harness solar energy. Instead of relying entirely on the main battery, the HVAC system is partially powered by solar energy, reducing the electrical load. While solar energy alone cannot fully power the system, it significantly supports cooling function and reduces overall energy consumption. To evaluate this concept, we developed a simulation-based approach. Using SolidWorks, we conducted thermal and airflow analysis of the vehicle cabin. Key parameters include cabin temperatures set at 24 degrees Celsius, ambient temperatures at 35 degrees Celsius, and HVAC load of approximately 3.5 watts. We also modeled our solar input with irradiance ranging from 500 to 800 watts per square meter. These simulations allow us to analyze temperature distribution, energy consumption, and solar contribution efficiency. Our expected results show that integrating solar assistance can 1. Reduce battery load during HVAC operation. 2. Maintain comfortable cabin temperatures. 3. Improve overall vehicle efficiency. And 4. Extend driving range. Even a modest solar output of around 150 to 220 watts can significantly reduce continuous energy demand. This demonstrates that solar energy, although limited, plays a crucial supporting role. This research is particularly important for countries with high solar exposure, such as the Philippines. By utilizing renewable energy directly on vehicles, we can improve sustainability, reduce energy costs, and enhance electric vehicle performance. This approach contributes to the future of greener and more efficient transportation systems. In conclusion, solar-assisted HVAC systems offer a promising solution to one of the key limitations of electric vehicles. By combining innovation and sustainability, we move one step closer to a more energy-efficient future. Thank you.